Snake versus plumber. Who will win? Go on, Alfred. Fight! Alfred, are you gonna fight? And Mario's down! And he gets up and confronts Alfred. But Alfred ignores him. This fight is so epic. Who will win? Who will win? Seems like the snake is in the lead. And he's climbing the wall. And he's going to confront Mario. That's a little sussy. But he's fighting. Mario responds by petting the snake. He got the good ending.